Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashane Shabree. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this very colorful party type look going on right now. So be sure to watch the entire video. Also, you guys make sure to subscribe so you can keep up with me and turn on your notifications. That way you are able to get alerted whenever I post a new video, such as this one. Here we go. So I did one eye and I'm not completely finished. I still have to do the bottom, but I like to wait and do the bottom colors when I do like my full face of makeup, and then I can put like the setting powder and then put the makeup on. That way if it drops down on my like cheek or anything, I can just wipe it off after. So let's go ahead and start the other eye. So now I'm going to do my full face. I've already put on my pore minimizer. I need to buy some more. Well, actually, I've had this stuff for years. I only use like small little dots, so good investment. But now I'm going with the MAC foundation, and I wet my sponge a little bit, put a little bit on there. And don't you guys just love my wig? Isn't it colorful? Just like my makeup. If you guys really like this wig and want to know how I put it on and also how I colored it, I will put the first link, which is how I apply my wig, and I will also include my second link, which is how I actually colored this wig. It used to be a straight blonde 613 wig, and then I went ahead and colored it. I got inspired when I seen Cardi B's picture a while ago on Instagram, and she had this same, pretty much same colors, same color wig. So I was like, ooh, I want to see if I can do that. And I went ahead and did it, and voila, I came out like this. So I'm in love with this wig. And sorry, one thing you guys know, I love to eat. That's why it's so hard for me to stay in shape, because I can't put the food down. I use like a separate sponge for my concealer since it's a lot lighter than my foundation. Okay guys, now for the setting powder, my least favorite part. This is the Derma blend. Going in with the same 321 Morphe brush. I kind of want to match my hair somewhat, so I think I want to go with a green and purple on bottom. So I'm gonna go with this green. Okay, and then I want to go in with, I'm gonna go with this dark purple. And now for my contour, and I'm gonna just do here, here, here. I always make one side thicker than the other when I do my nose. I don't know why. Okay, now I'm going to wipe all of the setting powder off of my face. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the MAC pigment. And I like to use this to put in the corners of my eyes if I want to be a little bit, I want to see like a little sparkle. I'm putting on my blush. I'm gonna go a little bit softer this today. Still smells so good. Okay, and I want to go in with Tropic Like It's Hot. That's childish. Whoever thought of that. And this is going to be my bronzer. And I guess I can use a different highlighter today. Normally, I always go with my Morphe highlighter just because I really like it. But spice it up a little bit, and I'm gonna go with Satin Sheets. But something's telling me to go with Starlight. So maybe I'm just gonna go with Satin Sheets. Okay, so Satin Sheets is this bottom one right here. But I feel like my face already looks light today. I'm gonna just go with Starlight. I'm gonna use the top one. This is gonna be my highlighter. Okay, so you already know I'm going with Lavish Wink eyelashes, which are these right here. And I don't know if I don't know the name for them, but I will put, whenever I look up what the name for these are, I'll go ahead and put them in my description below, so then you guys can just check it out down there. This is how it looks. Isn't that pretty? And I didn't want to put on too much today. And I wasn't going to put on Bite-On eyeliner, but I think I kind of want to, so I'm going to do it. And I'm using the Anastasia Jet Black eyeliner. My waterline. Just some slight, real slight light. And then I'm taking the mascara. I'm going to do my bottom lashes. Y'all see how close I'll be having to get? Because I cannot see my bottom lashes. They are so small. Who makes really good bottom lashes or has like a really like noticeable mascara for bottom lashes? Because that's really what I got this mascara for, but I don't know if I like it. Like if it's really doing the job or not. Like, can you guys see them? Like I told y'all, I really did like these little lipsticks from NYC, the Powder Puff Lippies. So we went to Walmart last night and got some more. So now I have the Squad Goals, which is this really light pink. And then I also got the Puppy Love, which is this hot pink. And I think today, since my hair is on the lighter side, that I just want to go with a light pink for my lipstick. I'm so excited. And these don't dry my lips out. Ooh. Look at that. All right, guys, so here's my final look. Let me come closer so you can see underneath my eyes. Okay, so one no-no that I definitely did today, I used the same side of my sponge that I put concealer on, and then I went to put my setting powder on my face, and I was wondering when I was like brushing the stuff off why it wasn't coming off, and I'm like, you know, it still looks really light whenever I was doing that. And that's most likely why I used the side that had concealer on it. So when I pressed it in the powder and put it on my face, I'm pretty sure it just like stuck to my face. So that's why my makeup is like a lot lighter. If you do like this like lighter look, then you guys could go ahead and start doing that. Personally, I like for like the center of my face to be semi-light but not too light. Next time I will make sure I definitely use the opposite end and not the same end. You guys make sure to subscribe to my channel, comment if you really do like this video, and if you guys really do love my looks and everything that I have going on, if you want to see more of me, follow me on Instagram at Ashane Shabree. And be also to check out the other videos that I have. Bye, loves.